Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shivangi and you are watching Shivangi's DIYs. Today we are going to make a DIY phone case. Take any cardboard available with you. Trace the size of the phone on the cardboard. Take any cloth and cut it according to the size of the cardboard. Mark the place of the camera and cut it too. Stick the cloth onto the cardboard. Take any other cloth, trace the size of the cardboard on that cloth. Take any strip of cloth, put in the border as shown in the video. Repeat the same process in all four sides. Cut the camera hole from the cloth. Take any phone case and stick inside the flap cover. To make pocket inside the flap cover, take any small piece of a cloth and stick the three sides of a cloth. almost ready. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.